Day 41st. SE and ZE, or we can call ZE sound Z, Z, please, O, Z, nose, D, Z, dizzy, disease, is praise, praise, breeze, sneeze, whiz, snooze, 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 maze, tease, and letter S sound Z. Letter S, letter Z, double Z, ZE, and SE. In this case, it sounds Z. Okay, start from letter S. Start from letter S. Is, his, was, peace, bees, fleas, all, easel, zip, zed, zap, 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 zebra, egg, zig, zag, zag, zigzag, zest, zest, zips, double Z, jazz, buzz, fizz, freeze, all, frizzle, all, frazzle, all, dazzle, ZE, sneeze, breeze, wheeze, size, rise, blaze, dazed, SE, please, cheese, tease, wise, is, disease, a the eyes surprise sentences. My grand is not pleased. My grand is not pleased. That bad fat rat eats up the cheese from the table. Scram rat. The breeze blows the head off my head. I freeze. I tie on my bonnet instead. I sneeze. Rosa is very funny lad. He plays razzle dazzle, strict on us. He is a real whiz kid. We spend heaps of time with him. We crack up from all the fun when Rosa breezes in with his latest trick. We end up rolling in the floor. We end up rolling in the floor. He makes us wheeze until we cry. Please, no more.